Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 4 can't even get through a meeting, it's likely due to a failing battery. Over time, batteries degrade and can no longer hold a sufficient charge. If you ignore this issue, you may find yourself constantly tethered to a power outlet, limiting your mobility and productivity. In this video, we'll show you how to replace that battery so you can get back to working efficiently. For this repair, you will need a new battery for your Surface Pro 4, a heat gun or hairdryer, a plastic opening tool, a T5 torque screwdriver, and a spudger. First, begin by turning off your Surface Pro 4 completely and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, using your heat gun or hairdryer, gently warm the edges of the device to soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Be careful not to overheat it, as you don't want to damage the internal components. Once it's warmed, take your plastic opening tool and carefully insert it into the gap between the screen and the body, gently prying it open. You may need to work your way around the edges, applying a little more heat if needed. After you've successfully opened the device, locate the battery connector, which is usually near the center of the device. Carefully disconnect this by gently lifting it out with your spudger. Now, you'll see the battery secured in place with screws. Using your T5 torque screwdriver, remove these screws and take out the faulty battery. Replace it with the new one, ensuring it's positioned correctly. Remember to reconnect the battery connector, as this is crucial for the device to function properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secure, carefully align the screen back to the body of the device. Press firmly along the edges to ensure a good seal and that the adhesive sticks properly. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to check that everything is functioning as it should. To avoid future battery issues, make sure to keep your device updated with the latest software, avoid extreme temperatures, and consider using battery-saving settings when possible. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.